That VIN on your BMW? It's not random. It can literally tell you if you're buying the right car or about to overpay. Your VIN is your BMW's digital ID. It holds information about where the car was built, the exact model, and how it left the factory. With a proper VIN report, you can see the original engine, transmission, trim level, and factory options. Two BMWs can look identical but have totally different builds and values. A VIN report can also reveal ownership history, mileage records, title events, and accident indicators, things you won't catch on a test drive. Instant VIN Reports pulls this data together into one clear report so buyers can quickly understand what the car really is, not just what the seller claims. When you know the real specs and history, you're in a stronger position to negotiate or walk away before making a costly mistake. If you're shopping for a BMW, check the VIN first. It's one of the smartest moves a buyer can make.